got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up the ceiling when we're in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket.
Hey Margareta, what's going on? You look so pale. I'm feeling ill. Really? Why you don't go to doctor?
Yes, this afternoon I'm going to go to the hospital.
Yeah, I hope you be good for today.
Thanks, dear. When we use report speech, we are talking to the past, so we can change the verb. For example, is or am become was, are become were, will become would, may become might, can become could, and have or has become had. Priscilla, do you know Margareta? I called her but no response.
Yes, I know. She said that she was feeling ill and she won't go to the hospital.
Oh, thanks for the information. I hope she will be okay.
Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood.
President, I feel ill. Report, she said that she feel ill.
Past tense, I felt ill. Report, she said that she had felt ill.
Past continuous tense, I am feeling ill. Report, she said that she was feeling ill.
Future tense, I will feel ill. Report, she said that she would feel ill.
Perfect tense, I have felt ill. Report, she said that she